Built with pros and hobbyists in mind, the Kreg Foreman professional grade pocket hole machine is packed with features that'll have you building with twice the speed and half the effort of a standard pocket hole jig. That's because the Foreman offers all the features and capabilities of our professional grade pocket hole machines in a machine that's versatile, portable, and incredibly affordable. So whether you're a contractor looking to increase productivity and cut costs, a do-it-yourselfer with a long list of projects to build, or a woodworker who just wants to make a great joinery technique even better, the Foreman has what it takes. With the Foreman, creating pocket holes is fast and easy. Simply pull the large control handle to start the powerful 110-volt motor, clamp your workpiece securely in place, and raise the drill bit through the table. This simple operation drills a precisely placed pocket hole at the perfect depth in materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick, while built-in dust collection pulls the chips into your vacuum to keep your work area clean as you work. To ensure perfect pocket hole placement, the Foreman features a tool-free adjustable fence that positions your workpiece for precise pocket depth, and a pair of adjustable, spring-loaded stops that provide repeatable accuracy. Markings in the rigid cast aluminum table make it easy to position the fence for the 3 most commonly used material thickness: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inch. Light but durable construction makes the Foreman perfect for use in the shop, around the home, and on the go. This hard-working machine weighs only around 20 pounds thanks to its cast aluminum table and tough molded base, so it's easy to transport from the shop to the job site. Even with this portability, the Foreman still features a large table to hold big boards and support pieces made from sheet goods. The table flips up to allow easy access to the motor and quick-change drill chuck, and to a built-in storage tray that keeps extra bits and accessories accessible but out of the way. On top of all these impressive features, the Foreman is the first pocket hole machine that creates all 3 Kreg joint sizes: the incredibly versatile standard Kreg joint, the small but mighty Kreg micro pocket joint, and the heavy-duty Kreg HD joint. The Foreman comes with the standard bit and drill guide, and you can easily switch to the optional micro or HD anytime you need to. The Foreman comes complete with a powerful 110-volt 5-amp 2800 RPM electric motor for fast drilling, an adjustable fence with spring-loaded stops to position your workpiece, a dust collection attachment that keeps your work area clean, a Kreg 3/8 inch step drill bit and drill guide, plus an easy-to-use drill bit setting block and a 6-inch square drive bit. The Foreman's innovative features make it possible for anyone, whether you're a professional woodworker, a hobbyist, a contractor, or a do-it-yourselfer, to create strong, tight-fitting pocket joints with the speed and precision only a Kreg pocket hole machine can provide. And the Foreman does it at a price that's easy to afford. Combine it all, and it's easy to see that the all-new Kreg Foreman is your high-speed solution for pocket hole construction. For more information, visit us online at kregtool.com.